Does DNA really tell us about our ancestry? Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, we will be delving into the topic of whether DNA truly tells us about our ancestry. It is a topic that has drawn a lot of interest and controversy in recent times, and we will be exploring it in depth. So, if you're ready, let's get started and uncover the truth. What is DNA? Before we begin, let's establish what DNA is. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule that carries genetic information and controls almost every aspect of our physical and biological makeup. It is located in the nucleus of our cells and is present in all living organisms, from single-cell bacteria to humans. How does DNA determine ancestry? DNA is passed down from one generation to the next, and as such, it is a valuable means of determining ancestry. Specifically, by analyzing the DNA sequence of an individual, scientists can identify unique markers that are associated with different geographic regions and populations. These markers can reveal information about an individual's ancestry, including where their ancestors originated from and migration patterns. For example, if two individuals have similar genetic markers in their DNA, it is likely that they share a common ancestor and may be related. Similarly, if an individual has DNA markers associated with a specific geographic region or population, it suggests that their ancestors originated from that region. Limitations of DNA ancestry testing. While DNA can reveal valuable insights about an individual's ancestry, there are still limitations to its accuracy. First and foremost, DNA ancestry testing is based on the assumption that specific markers are associated with certain geographic regions and populations. However, these assumptions are based on incomplete data and are subject to change as more research is conducted. Furthermore, DNA ancestry testing only examines a portion of an individual's DNA and does not take into account the complex interplay between genetics, environmental factors, and cultural influences that shape an individual's identity and heritage. In other words, DNA can only tell us so much about a person's ancestry and should not be the sole determinant of their identity. Ethical considerations. Another important aspect of DNA ancestry testing is the ethical considerations involved. Specifically, there are concerns about the privacy and confidentiality of genetic information, potential discrimination based on genetic predispositions or markers, and the possibility of false positives or negatives. For example, if an individual tests positive for a genetic marker associated with a particular disease, they may face discrimination from employers or insurance companies. Similarly, if an individual's DNA results suggest they come from a specific geographic region, they may face stereotyping and prejudice based on those results. In conclusion, DNA is a valuable tool for determining ancestry and can provide valuable insights into an individual's genetic makeup. However, it is important to recognize the limitations of DNA testing and to consider the ethical implications of using genetic information to make decisions about a person's life and identity. We must remember that while DNA can reveal important information, it is only one piece of the puzzle and should be considered in conjunction with other factors such as cultural heritage and personal experience. Thank you for joining, and please feel free to leave your thoughts and comments below. Thanks for watching.